फाइन, चलो joints. Okay, what do you mean by joints or joint? Okay, very good, but define it. Majid Koro, you are right. Connection of two bones not always there. Might be in some joints more than two bones are connected. Okay? So two or more bones are connected together and form the joints. For example, wrist joint. Knee joint, elbow joint, that you say that two bones are connected. But in wrist joint, so many joints are there. Fine. So what we write here, two or more bones are connected together Have you ever heard ligament?
Yes.
Okay. So we say like that, two or more bones are united together and form the joint. But each and every joint is maintained in its proper state or proper condition with the help of the ligament. For example, I can say like that here in the finger, fine. So this finger joint, here, the joint of this finger, and you know that this is the metacarpal and this is the first phalange. Metacarpophalangeal joint, here ligament is there. So here when I will move, ligament is not that much tough. But ligament maintain the joint in the proper condition. But it limits the movement. It limits the movement. But when I will move the finger like this, and when I will overstretch it, I feel pain. And now the movement is prevented. So ligament or tendon or muscle, it creates the pain. Pain is beneficial. Shock. Pain is beneficial. It prevents damage. It prevents damage. Suppose તમને જોઈન્ટ માં પેઇન થાય છે તો ઓલરેડી પેઇન જે છે એ ડેમેજ થી થયું છે. Now it prevents the further damage. Fever is also meaningful, huh? Fever is also meaningful and beneficial. Fever સારું normally એને હું તો normally કહું છું. Normally fever is beneficial. Why? Because high body temperature prevents the bacterial growth. Your body temperature become high. It prevents the growth of the infection ઇન્ફેક્શન નો ગ્રોથ હવે તમને નહીં થવા દે. Means you are there in the critical stage, creates the fever. Fine. So two or more bones are united together and form the joint and maintain in its proper position with the help of ligament. So here three types of joints are there. Immovable, also known as sutural joint. The joint is totally immovable, not able to move. Partially movable, little bit it moves, or we say that it is the cartilaginous joint. And the freely movable joint, it is known as synovial joint. So તમે અત્યારે શાંતિથી વિચારો. So we have discussed all the things about the muscles and bones. Now we are discussing the joints, the types of joint and diseases of joint. Fine. So first is immovable joint or sutural joint. Understand something else? The joint which is totally immovable one, we say that it is the sutural joint. And sutural joints, you know it very well, present in skull. Fine? Present in skull. As well as the teeth. Teeth which is present in the socket of the jaw bone. Jaw. Upper jaw is known as maxilla, you know it, and lower jaw is known as mandible. So in each jaw, for particular teeth, sockets are present, and in this socket, the teeth are located and fixed with the help of cement material and become immovable. So normally teeth are immovable. Clear? Then sacrum, you know it. all the sacral vertebrae are united together and form the whole sacrum. Coccyx, all the coccygeal bones. Clear? Fine. Any doubt? So second is partially movable or cartilaginous joint. So we say that here the joint is partially moved. For example, partially movable joint in that examples are intervertebral joint. Find the joint between two successive vertebrae. Joint between ribs and sternum with the help of hyaline cartilage or costal cartilage, barabar? And pubic symphysis. Pubic symphysis is partially moved. Okay? So these are the examples of the partially movable. So in next lecture I will continue with the synovial joint. In detail 5 types are there in that. Fine? And along with that disorders of the skeleton. Okay? So here I can stop now.